Morning, guys. So we got our newest project here. We're gonna be restoring a 2006 Toyota Corolla. This car is badly hurt. So little circles on there, so the little tiny dings and high spots. We're gonna be replacing the two fenders, front bumper, rear bumper. I'll be fixing all these bodywork on the car. All these burns here, clear coat burns. Fixing as well the rust. I'll probably take that off. I'll see if I can replace it. If not, I'll cut out the rust and just put new sheet metal and just weld it on. But look at this side. This side got a lot going on. So I'm gonna replace the two fenders, headlights, front bumper, rear bumper. Hood, I'm just gonna sand it down to the metal and just reprimer it. And we're gonna be changing the entire color on this car. So this car, we're gonna be doing it Nardo gray. And it's gonna be a single stage. Look at the hood. Paint peeling on the hood. So we're gonna replace that. We got some burns up here. I mean the roof. A lot of repairing on the roof. So what I'm probably gonna do here is do some paintless dent pulling here. So I'll put heat up the glue and just pull this up. Get it as flat as possible. Because I really don't want to do a lot of bondo up there. And this is gonna be about a 2-week project for me. Maybe longer, it depends on, how much cars I have to do. So I'll do it in between cars. But that's the project. It's gonna be fun. Good morning, guys. So this is what I'm doing today. We're gonna be doing some paintless dent removing. See all these waves here? So we got a low spot here, and then we got a couple high spots, but we need to pull up the low spot first before we knock down the highs. So you can see that. So I'm gonna do this right here, glue it here, and then we're gonna pull it up. I'll probably use this guy right here. We'll use him to pull up, and then we'll just knock it down with a hammer. What I'm doing. It's a rainy day today, so I don't feel like doing any body work inside the garage. So we're just gonna do paintless today. I'm gonna try to pull up all the dents that we can find on this car. With the paintless kit, I got everything laid out on the car. Gun, everything. We got glue sticks. We got the little guys over here. Got tons of glue sticks. We got the rods in case we need them for the doors. That's today's project. Try to knock down all the high spots. See the whole thing like moving. Check that out. So right here, you got a low spot, another low spot, another low spot. Here I'm still working on the heavy grit, and we gotta go to a fine. So once I go to the fine sand and I get it down to metal, I'll be able to see where I need body work on this hood. still working on it. Took me about at least an hour to do this, which I don't have any record time on my phone, so sorry about that. And this will take tons of hours just, you know, to get done. This is it, guys. See? Got DA this whole hood because of all the little cracks it has in here. As you can see, you see that? Check this out, guys. I just finished the hood. Had to long block it, primed up. We're gonna buy some new fenders, bumper, rear bumper, and then we're gonna fix the rest of the car. There you go. Do a guide coat on it so when I'm ready to sand and block it. Not bad, right? Okay, guys, I already grind down all the spots that needs body work, which this fender is not that bad, so we're not going to replace it. Right here, you have the trunk too, but the trunk I'm going to try to just pull it out with the dent puller, with the paintless. This is the driver's side, which is a lot of body work. And we got up here as well, a couple spots. Hey guys, so this is the update. All the body work's done on the car. Right now what I'm doing now is stripping the front end because I'm doing a whole new front end on this car. Then we also gonna degrease all the dirt on the wheel wells, fender wells. I already did the door jambs, trunk jam. I took all the handles out, moldings, everything. So I'm gonna get ready to 320 and 400 the whole car. And then we're gonna shoot some primer, let it dry for like 2 days. The two bumpers are garbage, the fenders are garbage. And we just gotta fix all these parts right here. Whole bunch of parts. I'm not even done. I feel like I just started. So all the circles you see is has like a slight wave here, and over here got a tiny little wave. So what I'm gonna do here is same thing for these, very tiny. So what I'm doing when I spray the primer, I'm gonna block it down, and then I'll adjust the situation if I need to. But if it goes away with just blocking, then I'll leave it. But this side had a lot of dings and dents. It's all taken care of. So now I gotta just pull off the roof antenna and these two moldings at the top, and we're ready to degrease the car and then primer the whole thing. And then before I'm gonna paint, I'm gonna seal to use a 2K sealer on the whole car, and then we're gonna go to paint. So I'm excited to get this job done. So far it's been a week I've been doing this. I'm waiting for a couple parts though. I'm waiting for the new fillers that go here because they were rusted. So I'm waiting for 2 fillers, right and left. I'll be picking up the bumpers maybe tonight or tomorrow morning. So excited, guys. And when we're done painting the car, assemble the car, we're gonna be doing the wheels powder coated black or maybe gunmetal, I'm not sure yet. But maybe black, definitely black. We're gonna powder coat the wheels black, and we're gonna also powder coat the wiper arms because they're all shot. And we're gonna put some new headlights as well, new fog lights. And yeah, pretty much to go. I already degreased all the jams. Jams are nice and clean. Just got a lot of taping to do. Tons and tons of taping. But let me go ahead and get this car washed. Pull it outside, wash it up real good, dry it. And then we're gonna DA the whole car. Okay, whatever. Oh, there's some paint on me. Just doing a quick run around. Just finished priming. I gave it 2 heavy coats. I'm gonna let it dry for a good day and a half. And then we're gonna start sanding. Hopefully I get to the new parts this weekend. And we can start assembling it and then just getting ready to spray it. So if everything goes well, I'll probably be spraying it on the weekend. Starting to look good. Alright, we gotta let it dry. Alright guys, I'll see you guys another day. Peace out.